The 17th doctrine of demons is that religion is the way to God. Since the fall of man, the human spirit has lost the freedom to enjoy the presence of God. As a result, the human spirit always longed to be reunited with the Spirit of God. It is because outside God's Spirit, the human spirit is lost and knows no peace. You must know that this vacuum was always present in every person born into this world. This emptiness in human life caused by the fall of man could only be filled by God Himself. Sadly, and for your information, all the fallen spirits knew about this vacuum in humans, and they were always delighted to move in order to fill the vacuum. This was how the world religions started. This meant that they were indeed brought in to replace God in the lives of the people. For the records, you may not believe it, but it is true. There are around 10,000 religions in the world. The largest of them are Hinduism, Buddhism, and Islam. You may probably also have noticed that all the supervising spirits and the gods of these world religions are aware of, but are particularly against Jesus Christ. They all certainly know that Jesus Christ is the seed of the woman that God promised in the Bible. In Genesis chapter 3, verse 15, He was and remains the one pre-planned by God to fill the vacuum created in humans after the fall. The names of the seed of the woman given in the book of Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6 will tell you all about His mission. These names confirm the truth. The verse states, "For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father," that is, of eternity, Prince of Peace. This is why Jesus Himself said in the Gospel of John chapter 14 verse 6. The verse reads, Jesus said unto him, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh unto the Father but by me. You can see from this that rather than think or believe that religion is the way to God, you need to know that Jesus Christ is the way to God. The doctrine that states that religion is the way to God is a lie from the pit of hell. The 18th doctrine of demons that we shall look at is that heaven is not a place. The conclusion from this doctrine is that one cannot go to heaven, as it is not a location but a condition or a state of mind. However, this is not true. This demonic teaching was brought about in order to dampen the excitement and the glorious hope that surges in heaven-bound saints at the mention of the word heaven. This doctrine is another lie because it directly contradicts the evidence of the work of God. It also goes against the words of the Bible. Let us consider these 5 things. Number 1, heaven is a created place. The book of Genesis, chapter 1, verse 1 states, "In the beginning, God," that is, prepared, formed, fashioned, and created the heavens and the earth. Point number 2, heaven is the presence of God where one can approach through prayer. In the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 6, verses 9 and 10, the Lord Jesus taught the disciples to pray thus: "Pray therefore like this: Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed," that is, kept holy, "be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven." Point number 3, heaven is God's house. You can only have a house in a location. In the Gospel of John, chapter 14, verse 2, the Lord Jesus says, "In my Father's house there are many dwelling places," that is, homes. "If it were not so, I would have told you, for I am going away to prepare a place," that is the word, "a place for you." Point number 4, heaven is a place of rest where God's people go after they complete their assignment on earth. In 2 Timothy chapter 4, verses 6 and 7, Paul the apostle states as follows: "For I am already about to be sacrificed," that is, my life is about to be poured out as a drink offering. "The time of my," that is, spirit's release or departure, that is, from the body, is at hand, and I will soon go free. I have fought the good, that is worthy, honorable, and noble fight. I have finished the race. I have kept, that is family, held the faith. Point number 5. Heaven is the place where Christ ascended to after his resurrection from the dead. This is according to the book of Acts, chapter 1, verses 9 and 10. That is the book of Acts, chapter 1, verses 9 and 10. And when he had spoken these things, while they beheld, he was taken up, and a cloud received him out of their sight. And while they looked steadfastly toward heaven, as he went up, behold, 2 men stood by them in white apparel. My friends, this is it. God bless you mightily as you ponder on these things. Thank you so much.
In the dark.